So alright guys, in a very quick one, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time of seeing a content like this is the voice of Zion Hub Logistics, and my name is Samuel Joshua. So to join our community, just click on that subscription bell, like the video, share it, and also comment to whoever you think this video will be helpful to. Okay, so I'm not going to be making this video a very long one. I'm just going to be summarizing what you need to do when you want to add another new address to your pindoudou account. Now I've recorded a video also on 1688 on 𝐼DoFish as well, how you can also change and manage multiple warehouse address. So I'm going to be leaving it under the description button of this tutorial. Okay, so without further more ado, let's dive into the tutorial. So now maybe you've already created or you've already added a warehouse address before, so you now want to delete, or you want to edit, or you want to add a new one. This is what you will do here. So let's say I want to buy this product. Let me just click on this product here. Let's say I want to buy it. This is assumption. I'm not buying, I'm not making any purchase in this tutorial. Okay, so you just come to, you will click on this guy here. You pretend as if you want to buy it, right? So it's going to take you to this checkout page. You see where I'm presently pointing at. This is the address that I've already input before now. So if I'm to click on it, you will see that I have already added a lot of addresses here. You can see them. These are the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. These are for different customers. Okay, so I can easily delete, I can edit, and I can also do what? I can also set as a default. So let me start from editing. Let's say you want to edit. You can just click on edit here. Maybe you want to edit one or two things. So let me just click on allow. Then let me allow again. So you can see here, it's going to take you to where you can easily make adjustments. So let me cancel it. Okay, so now if you want to delete, like you want to delete a address from this guy here, what you do here is just to come to where we have this X button, click on it. It will bring you here. Are you sure you want to delete this address? So you're just going to click on delete. So automatically it has been deleted. So you can do as much as possible. You can delete as much as possible. So we can also offer, we also offer procurement. Okay, we can train you on how you can create a pindoudou account without WeChat. You can create it. Yes. So we also offer a training if you are interested in the complete course on how you can also start buying from pindoudou. We also have the course available. Then we are available for procurement services. We are available for mentorship and consultation and R&B funding. Okay, so if you are interested, you can reach out to us on the number displaying on your screen. That having been said, let's return back to the tutorial. So now to the tutorial of the day. If you want to add a new address, now this is where you will go. You see this where we have red, you will click on it. But before then, let me screenshot, go to my Google Translator here. Then I will upload it so I can show you where to really click. So I'm going to click on it now, and it's going to translate it. You can see here, this is where we'll have what? This is where we'll have add new shipping address, which is this red. You can also click on this yellow if you want your friend to automatically help you add the address, but it's very simple and straightforward. So what you will do now is to click on this red icon, which is add warehouse address. So I'm going to click on this red here now. So automatically it has filled in my address. So now this is what you will do. I don't want you to be filling it maybe one after the other, one after the other, right? Just copy the address wherever you are copying it from. Now this is a procurement for a student, right? So I want to help her buy this item. She has already paid, she has already made payment. So, and this is the address you want to use. So it is always advisable for easy process, just long press, copy it once you copy it, it will be on your notepad. So once you now go back here, it will fill in itself automatically. I hope you understand my explanation. Don't go and be filling it one after the other. You are typing this, you are typing that, you might do a mistake. I hope you understand. So now it has filled in itself. It's not as if you cannot do it automatically. If you are sure, like you are sure of what you are doing, then you can now go ahead to fill in itself automatically. I hope you get my logic. So now that it has filled in itself automatically, you click on this red to save the warehouse address. Now you can see here where I'm presently circling that it has filled in itself. That is to tell you, if I'm to click on it now, you will see the address we just added. Now you can see it here. The address we just added is this last one here. So if you want to set it as your default address, like you want to be using it all the time, so you don't want to do mistake, just click on set as default here. It's as very simple as that. Then you can proceed in making your purchase or in buying anything you want to buy. Then lest I forget, if you want to monetize your TikTok account, we now have the complete course on how you can run advert on TikTok, how you can monetize your TikTok account, and TikTok will start paying you. And also we're also available for if you want to start gadget importation from US, UK, and China. This course is now available. You can just reach out to us and we are going to send you the course outline to see everything you are going to be learning. So that's how to change, delete, and also update your multiple warehouse address on Pindoudou. So I hope you find value in watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like our videos, share it, and also comment. So I will see you in my next tutorial.